Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that comes pre-cut, pre-styled in bangs. We're going to be doing it two different ways. Stick around for more details. Today's hair sponsor is LuvMe Hair. Everything about their wigs top tier. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 body wave wig. So as you guys can see, it is pre-cut and it's actually on an HD lace. Like, what?
Saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. Lot of girls in my times there, word apart wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's going there? These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rough for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed now. Talking to her like this drop and a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, you're too worried about being the best. Someone go tell Noel to get it backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues at hand that we're not discussing. Look, I did not sign up for this. My uncle used to have all these things on his bucket list, and now he's acting like, oh well, this is life, I guess not. Listen man, you can still do what you want to do. You gotta trust that. Heard once that in dire times when you need a sign, that's when they appear. Guess since my text message didn't resonate, I just say it here. Hate the fact my mom cooped up in her apartment, telling herself that she's too sick to get dressed up and go do shit like that's true shit. All my family from the M-town that I've been around start treating me like I'm him now. Like we don't know each other, we ain't grow together, we just friends now. Shit got me feeling pinned down. Pick the pen up and put the pen down. Writing to you from a distance like a pen pal, but we been.
just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Backstage at warehouse and '09 like it's bun coming. Dead is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there. These days I can
Don't
probably
think
pack
about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is for you.
Money got my whole family going.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.
You don't.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
You tell me something's gone wrong.
Several days later.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much.
This is actually a different day. I wanted to come back and close off this video and show you guys the different ways you can wear this wig. So I show you guys it curled and also now straight. So this is the wig straight. I think it is super pretty. It looks super gorgeous. Now I did cut these pieces to make them more face framing and layered, more like curtain bangs. So I really like this look with this wig. I think it is super classy, and this is where it's hitting me straightened. So I would say it is definitely true to length with the 24-inch. Just looks very natural, and of course it does have the parting because of the lace. I think I prefer wearing it straight. It's definitely more my style. Curl is cute, but like I think it looks better this way. You have a bunch of options. You can wear her straight or you can curl her depending on what you want to do. You guys should check them out. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information to LuvMe here in the description box for you guys. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. Don't forget to check that out before you go, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye for now.